so bad without a reason. Well, forgive me, cannot blame you for being guilty. For I cannot soothe the pain you endure. Just take me back, I'll pay my due, baby. Oh, let me be your future now, oh baby, forgive me. Yeah, oh, yeah, yeah, forgive me. Forgive me. Give me, yeah. Forgive me. No, no, let me.
I forgot. We opened the chat. Now I have chat. Okay, let's record. The Thing movie file. Hello.
I have no data.
It's out of tokens at 340, so it's like in 54 minutes. Overspending. Technically, yes.
Dino needs to balance that budget.
We need to balance that budget. Let's balance that budget. Movie file string metadata can be added to the root node. The path that will be used for recording that scene. Wait, separate scenes can be recorded at separate path? Ah, Cloud AI worked on my game, yes. I was trying to spend all the tokens every day. At least that was the goal, kinda. And I will show you. Also, I will try to record it. So let me just figure out how to name it. What app it should be? Make it Avi. It will lag a bit because it's recording. So not much changed. But there's also now the loading of the levels. That's a mess, but that mess should be fixed by hands. So all the elements are in the game, and they almost all are working. So yeah, by my two hands.
Dinobitsbato, the suspense is killing me.
Oh my god!
Hmm. So yeah, but I made a skill. I made some stuff, so I now have to do where I tell Claude actually, next to do it goes to the file, finds the next to do, figures it out, and makes it. I installed some plugins, I installed some extra stuff, so I think when I will be able to make proper, how it was named, proper workflow, not workflow. Okay, let's go to workflow. When I have proper workflow, it will be very much playable, workable, and yeah, it actually can help. Now I only need to figure out how to call it properly. Oh, I also made auto upload stuff, so I didn't like touch it by my hands. I only entered the secret, the GitHub secret. Also, I have money here. Also, it's not showing me for some reason. But yeah, so I have. What do I have? Where I show you. Okay, yeah. So the game is here somewhere. It's called Space Jumper, and it is the previous version. Everything you touch kills you. But at least I'm flying somewhere. So, and it's done automatically. So when I have a major feature, I can tell him, hey, let's do a deploy or something. It goes and makes PR request. I approve that PR on my Git. Where is it? This one. There are two branches. Main and this release PR branch. But when I need to make a PR, this thing does it automatically. Everything was created by Claude AI. It's called please release config. So it can do change logs, it can do whatever else. Export presets. Manifest. Changelog MD. Changed everything. So it does this thing for me automatically, which looks very good. And it uses Butler and builds the stuff from the actual GitHub from here. So there's this deploy script which has the token and it runs Butler push and it uploads the game to the current version. No idea who they are, and I didn't check them if they're very good or not. I'm happy with it. It saved me a day, definitely. Unless I don't know how it works. Oh, Django, what the game is that you're playing? I couldn't find it. Also, you're not streaming. Or I didn't see you stream. Or you just don't want to stream that game. Look like the Sims game, but from first person, third person, one person. I don't know. Very interesting looking game. I wanted to check it out, but I couldn't find your stream. I guess you stopped streaming or you weren't streaming that game. I wanted to see what the game is about because they had this motorcycle element somewhere. Jude was driving motorcycle. That's it. Easy to appeal. Yeah, I found that one. Yeah. That game. I'm kind of scared of that. It has perfect world on top of it, which is it's just scary. They had the good games. They make the perfect world themselves, but at some moment they decided to go for money, not for the game, and then I disliked the company. Don't worry. I mean, I saw some trailers and stuff, but that's not a problem. I thought that maybe you are streaming that. You just didn't want to stream? What was the name of the application that runs the AV files? Okay. Oh. Okay. How I made GIF before? Can I add this one to the... No! I'm not supported. What was the name of that movie, by the way? This movie with Pedro Pascal, where he did some illegal substances and then drove driving. Oh, look at that guy. Out of bother, go to National Pixel Art Game Dev. And this actually looks like scary stuff. Scary stuff. Hmm. Maybe I can do PNG from here. I can do PNG. Okay, maybe I run out of memory. Stop! Stop! Please stop! Damn it! Houston. Feels like, man.
Denub, it's bot time to upgrade that tech.
Yep. 100% disk is used. Wait, it's 50 gigs. I actually don't get who ate all of the memory. Could be lost and found actually. Stop it! I think the problem is that somehow the user folder is in the core stuff. Even though this is something that they don't get sometimes with Linux, especially when you like configure it manually and have like all good. Like home is separate device. So it has like 60 gigs used and 2 terabytes left. Okay, 106. And at the same time, the root mount is 60 gigs, and all of them are used. Meaning, what use that? And I still running. Goes out. Damn it! Damn it! Oh, I can do that. F4 it was, yes, F4. Go dot. Why do I have so many? Why do I have so many remote debug? Why there are a bajillion of them? Wall jumper. Oh. No. No. Oh my god. That's horrible. Yep. How did they get? Oh. Good. No. Sorry. Why did I click the button? F9. I also clicked L. No. K. Oh, I clicked K. K for kill. I guess. Go dot doesn't wanna work with me. Hello.
Spot, why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
That's
hey there.
the only joke that I guess
Salsaladroma.
I know properly. No. What was that button? Run specific scene. Run currency, okay.
Spot, oh. I have a whole database of jokes. I just like to start with the classics. Wouldn't want to overwhelm you with too much hilarity all at once. Salsaladroma.
He can be 30.
Spot, glad I could bring a smile to your face. If you
Smile
need more
to your
jokes, just say the word.
I made it for flying. Oh, I forgot. Overkin, how did you like the Age of Empires 4? If I didn't ask. Yeah, my brain is somewhere. What is this green stuff? What's flying up? Yo, develop. Hello. I actually need to go and make some water for myself. But yeah, the game. How much time left till the? Oh, kind of. Yeah, you're kind of good. Where's my Claude stuff? 26 minutes. Let's. We have a simple chat. Go to my Claude. New. Features. They are. Progression. Like unlockables. Characters. Colors. Map.
Like meteors, we light up the sky with magic. Like meteors, we light
More
up
HP.
up the sky with magic.
Oh no. Oh, that also goes towards the limit. Okay, then I can finish and make more. So answer going. Okay, meta progression, like unlockable. So we'll have this meta progression, then lock out board. How many points player got this run, or how fast he did beat this level? What was the third one? I promised the third one, and I don't remember what it was. Yes, ads. Sadly. That's the max amount. I promised the third thing. Okay. Oh yeah, extra abilities for the player. Can be low above for pick up like jet attack, double jump, shooting, grappling, through. I'm not sure how to crush this tab. Okay. I will hit enter, so it would ask me next time. Good. Those are plugins, those are superpowers, that's something else. Now I can actually go and start fixing stuff. Or at least figure out how the game works. Also, I need some music. I think that will eat a lot of things. I can make an local asset database. Can I? I need to add global to do Obsidian. I have a global to do. You know what? Let's have a global to do. You know, global to do.
Denobit spot the answer back, ready to cause Chaz once more.
Local website, the API. For simple SQLite database that knows location of all the their license type, tags, name, and description. Assets are should be searchable, downloadable by other tools like API. Okay. Control hands. Nice. Over again, how did you like Age of Empires 4? Those, what, 2-3 games that we played? How did you like Mongol? Have you tried other races? Oh, everybody run away. It's interesting how it sometimes shows like 0 people watching, then like 10, then 0 again, then 3. Okay, I forgot, but I will go grab some rings. I am back. Back again. Moving balls. Yet again. Perfect song. That's a to-do.
Din up at spot up, the age-old question. Skill or do I not both like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich? They complement each other perfectly.
It's to-do. I actually don't get your question. Maybe you mean in reverse? I can generate to-do using a skill. It doesn't save my tokens. At least it doesn't work like that. Not for skill, not for a to-do at least. Max plan is $200 a month. Or 150, I don't know. But there are many other ways how I can save my tokens. This is very weird. Where's my to-do? Mm-hmm. Label. Mhm. Okay, so it loads the level. One level chosen. Actually, I never saw that it would react to any event. And we're back to a game. Okay, load level data. Hello. I want to save by clicking escape button. Okay. I will be doing this for a short time today, then I gonna drive a person and I'm gonna drive back. Mhm.
Dinobitsbata. The age-old question. What should you do
What would have been
today?
a bit fun.
Well, how about embarking on a new adventure, learning something new, or simply taking some time to relax and recharge? The choice is yours, adventure.
Oh, hi, Brad. Hello. Look at me. I'm doing cloud coding. Is it a new emote? Is it yours emote? I am clap. Okay, that's some global emote. Unless, no, it's global emote. That's actually a fun emote. How are you doing, alright? I haven't seen you for a while, by the way. But now, okay. He told me that you're doing, decided to make a doodle jump. My goal is to not change the code as much as possible and make AI do it. And look at that. This is what I have for now. So I did nothing. I just changed some colliders, collision shapes and stuff. Claude Code can do it, but it's extremely costly to do it by asking him because he needs to think too much. So yeah, and that's the game. Flying up for 3 minutes and then
Dinobitsbotto.
we need to hit
The classic tale of getting roped into a jam thanks to Incredible. It's like a roller coaster ride of game development drama. And as for Claude writing, that's
but it is looking like a game.
More than
so I did nothing.
Right.
I adjusted colliders for the boxes. I adjusted colliders on the character. That's it. Oh, they are flying up because I'm falling down too fast. Yes, partially at least. So all the scenes, all the stuff was created by him. I want to do that, yeah. So because in the end, I potentially would go through the code and judge the code and stuff. So here, I think I would go through mine too. And like, because it's not mine fully, it's like I asked Claude to write it completely. So I will be going and judging it because it has like tons of like bad stuff here. Like potentially it will like, I see that it like all of that already feels very bad, and I know that it's gonna bite him in the end. Would bite. Like this is a nice idea to actually assign the player on the Resi function on everything else that the level has.
I'm sorry, but I cannot stop ends. The invasion is imminent. Prepare for the swarm.
It created a delay. Oh, a delay. It created a scene. I asked him to create everything, so all the project was created from scratch. I adjusted slightly collision shapes. Also, I created some collision shapes. So all of this was fully created by ChatGPT. Sorry, Claude AI. That's the station. That's where we need to get. And here I fell.
Dinobitsbot initiating temporary pause on Ant's invasion. Phew, that was a close one. What's on your mind, dear user?
So in the end, I'm gonna go and check the code fully again to see how it works, and tell the good and the bad and the ugly. So for now, the best parts, first of all, the git commits. So if I would go, this is the not those skills. Wait, where's my git? Where is my git? That's the git. If I go to the major, like to the code, and let's see the git commits. They all are very, very nice. Small module, like very, very good. So I always could go back and revert. Then I asked him to create the CI/CD fully. It's very smart, and this is something that I very much enjoy, and I would like it to be the part of the God of Future built in. Name your resource files, because it's basically UIDs That means that I can write them manually by hand and make sure that they don't collide. Meaning that if I want to have a resource of some kind of weird stuff and I want him to have this UID, I can make it like a floor tile number 0.01 or something like that. It's gonna be its UID. Floor, like bunch of letters meaning like floor tile something. And then I can easily see that when I'm assigning it, like drag and dropping and stuff, because it will be visible. So if I would go to the editor and I would like control drag, whatever it was, like this. Wait, I can't do this even. So here it drags like this, but sometimes it can drag like UID. And then it would be that ID that is actually readable. But for some reason, this is the thing that I'm struggling a lot and why I don't like UIDs right now in Godot. It changes them for no reason. I have no idea when and why it triggers like re-implementing, re-importing them and changing the IDs for them. Because sometimes I just work in my NeoVim and I have my code and stuff, then I run the game and it doesn't run because, oh, you lost some resources. Then I stop, then I run it again and then it works. Just because it went back and changed some UID for no reason. Or it's like, it's not even like that I touched the files and stuff. I think that actually having the UIDs are nice because now I can move files around without changing the IDs. So I drag the file here, it would have an ID, then I can move this file somewhere in the other folder and it will work. That's the only benefit right now. Before that, yeah, let's go to the folders. Exports in the editor with the scenes open. I don't use exports. Oh wait. Yeah, maybe. I use onReady quite a lot when I'm doing UI. Because onReady and then you have a name stuff. And that sometimes breaks. Because it loses itself when it tries to get the name or something like that. I had those errors quite a lot. It just means you stop and you start again. Or just relaunch the Godot and just fix itself. Still annoying error, very annoying error. Also this. It looks kinda nice, but it's also like... I wouldn't write that code. Even though it's kinda readable, so it assigns to all the elements that it has, the player that he just got himself. Whereas the player is here. You can potentially drag it to other elements too. Or those elements could grab it on Resi from the parent, or like, I don't know. Okay, grabbing from the parent probably is not a good idea because parent is not ready by the time, and then you need to have those, oh, pesky, what happens when? Answer gun.
Dino, it seems like the Ants invasion protocol is unstoppable.
It did make,
looks like we're in for a wild ride. Let's embrace our new insect
and the
overlords.
singleton, in terms of, it's not really a singleton, it's a math. So it has this one. I still have yet to find where it uses it. So it's not singleton, but it's, yeah, the helper class basically. Then it has this auto loads folder with audio manager, which it's audio, you know, it's like I don't like it, but it's legit way how people do it. In many previous gens people did it, so it's like I don't like those because people usually mistreat them and they become helpers but not static enough. So they usually lose the focus of what they're supposed to do. So they kind of grow up a bit. And then it becomes like, oh, now it's now you converted your stuff to monolithic structure that kind of depends only on that your helper. Now your helper is the bottleneck of everything. Like it happens too often to risk it to have it, kinda. So what I usually do, if there's some kind of weird function, you just inject it. Yeah, I mean, singletons are good, but singletons are very much misused quite a lot. Because, yeah, if you have a singleton, like, for example, I will have this play audio manager, kind of singleton. So from everywhere in my code, I can go audio manager, play that, audio manager, play, audio manager, play. That's it. All good, funny, easy. Now all the code where I need to play the music, I will go and call audio manager play. That's gonna be kind of, you know, built in my muscle memory when I'm tapping that. And I need just to add some, okay, fancier music changer or something like that in the other part of the script. Like, okay, I need to play another song while I need to disable song. I need to have more control. I will also go to this audio manager. I will have another tool, and now they collide, and now I have the whole mass of multiple tools relying on this static stuff, and then all stuff is entangled. Or I need to change something. I mean, that's obvious. Usually, yeah, audio manager is like weird example because they don't get overcomplicated. Luckily, I'm using Claude AI for now. I thought about trying others, Cursor or Codex or whatever they are, but I saw how the Claude works. So I'm not sure that I want to change that. So I paid for Claude AI, and I'm probably gonna stick to a moment there and figure it out for like 2-3 months. Yeah, okay, so service like Cater generally is way better. Yes, I'm out of tokens. Tokens will get reset in where are the tokens? Oh, they got reset. Okay, first of all, I had a prompt somewhere prepared. This one. Solved, yeah. I think it's like once every 4 hours approximately the session resets. So it's actually very nice. I can't overwork when I'm working. Also with Godot, okay, if I would had a very nice... No, it went too much. Whatever. By the way, I like it more than ChatGPT because it's actually like an assistant, not like a friend, which changes stuff. It's nice to talk to ChatGPT. It's nice to ask for help for Claude AI. Okay, if I would make the game from scratch, working 8 hours a day, I would be same speed. But I would not have a good Git. I would not have auto CI/CD. I would not have this prompting, that all those fancy things that you usually don't think about. Like, okay, let's have an audio. Let's have some kind of settings. For example, I asked today in the morning before the stream, I asked it to add settings page. So, settings, I have WSD. I have audio that I can disable. Sound effects, I can remap move left to not A but Q. Back, play the game. We wait. Okay, we destroyed, but yeah, A doesn't work anymore. Now I can click Q to go to the left. Now I have no sound. So it just did it. So those things, you know, the very generic ones, very boring to make, and you always will struggle a little bit with them. So that thing, if built properly into the workflow, I just have this nice prompt to how to make it into my game, and I just copy paste it to my next game. So I'm saving so much time on that. That actually works. Yes, in that sense, I'm way faster. Does it actually save it? No, it doesn't save it. Yeah, so right now I think how I'm gonna use it for game dev. I usually what I came up to use. So I will have this kind of source folder, basically that has all the code, all the data layers, all those models, all the stuff that don't have any nodes in them. So ref counted basically. And I can ask AI some not really vague, but kind of middle tier questions like, okay, please refactor that to have a factory. Please make it loadable. Please like do that. It will be fast. It's specific enough. It a chore basically that doesn't take my time and he can do. In the meantime, while he does that, I don't need to babysit. I can just go and do the UI stuff. I can do scenes. I can do manipulation. So it will be something that works in the background. Like, okay, I need this like loading stuff from the resources. I don't know. I need this event pooling and have this event reaction stuff. I need to like tell us. I need this document. I need this to-do list properly done. So it's very, very good in those things. No, in reverse. So it's I would do it in reverse. I basically how to explain that? I would design the data, not build the data, but design like the whole game structure. Okay, I know that I need this level, I need this, so I basically can work on that. Also, there's like very nice plugins. For example, there's this brainstorming plugins. So it's a from superpowers. It's like you must use this before creative work, creating features, building components and stuff. So here it basically go with you and talk to you and do some other stuff. I didn't try it yet, but as I understand, you will have your project with all the to-dos, and then you can split, and then it would work on some to-dos that are like very nice and easy for AI. And for example, the scenes and setups you would do manually. Here I didn't instruct it. No, that's why I'm running out of tokens that fast and that much. Because it's slow. Damn it. Please just write my original text of optional features nicely. Rated by difficulty from by difficulty easy, medium, hard. Actually, yeah. So yeah, in architecture I didn't instruct yet, but I saw that people do that. Also, it's very nice. So how I see it works, and this is like why I think it's actually very much, it can be very much helpful. So first of all, this file is very much needed for the Claude AI to work properly, because then it would need to ask every time, and we need to check your files, and it will like be a mess of tokens, and like it is a lot. So it's kind of basically a GGG to some element, where I can describe what's happening, the core loop of the game, whatever, what was here. So this is something that you think with him, or you wrote by yourself and ask him to rewrite it properly and nicely. Oh yeah, that's actually what it is. It's very much like that. What I did, I had a free account before that of Claude AI. I went to Claude AI, that open like browser one, ask him, hey, please give me like, I need the Claude MD file to have this game for my game jam. And then we want, like, I think I asked some other questions, and then created the project, core structure folders. I actually instructed it, hey, let's have a folder where I would have this data layer in the core folder, game resources, scenes, and everything node related in this folder. Then I did it like not correctly because it had this first time when I asked just to make a game. I just like, here's the prompt, make a game, go nuts. It went sideways, and it had this like scenes folder, scripts folder, another part, like something like that. It was a game. It was jumping. It was like annoyingly bad, but I guess, and it wasn't like really working from the first time. So here, I actually instructed how I want to have a folders, how I want to have some objects. I instructed it where it should take assets. So assets are there, like export, blah, blah, blah. I told him where my assets are in my system files. I actually allowed him, hey, you can go to that like assets folder and grab them from there. Just search them and get them from there. Negative part is that it actually needs to go and search through all the files to get the proper one, which I found out that I can like negate by having another MG file there, a markdown, so it would like describe what it is. Then I also described him the code style from the Go dot, and that it also need to go and do this markdown stuff, not markdown, but GG linter, GG format for all the stuff. Auto commit, amazing stuff. After everything done, it actually has this commit setup and conventional commits as you suggested. Hate them still, but when AI works on them, I guess it's easier for him. It is generally easier for me because it's now readable, it's nice, and it kind of, so it gets those like, I forgot how it's called, like it goes like git log 10 lines and 10 lines of the change. He sees what was changed, narrows it down, and has it as a comment. So every commit has this like chore stuff, and then in next lines as the body what actually was changed. And then it actually created for me the, where is it? This, so I didn't know about this. I thought it was a joke, but it actually is like release please YAML, which is Google GitHub Actions, release please action. So when, I forgot when it reacts, I guess on any push on the main branch. Yes, on push on the main branch, it reacts, it checks the comments, and it can prepare the actual change log. And look how the change log looks. It's like real grown-up change log. Yeah, so this is something that is like, I remember writing scripts for that manually, and they were like breaking because someone somewhere did forget a bracket or something all the time. Now it's done by AI, and it doesn't care about like forgotten bracket. Also, all the commits are done for that by that. And when I need to have a release, this thing creates me a pull request. I go to the pull request. Let's see the closed one. So the pull request. Sure, main release number 1. So features, bug fixes, whatever. I approve it. When I approve it, it automatically sets this one, the version, the tag, the version, and on the tag it releases. It actually goes and builds it, and now I have a game here. So this game here was uploaded some time ago, and that was what AI actually created for me. It's this actually amazing, because this is something that you actually usually you have some scripts lying around somewhere. You copy paste them, you change some stuff, you mess it up sometimes, then you go back and you fix them and tickle them, and then they work for your project. Then for the next project you do the same stuff and the same, and yeah. So that's very cool. And I instantly get destroyed. Stop cheating on me with nice one. Hi, Trickle Lady. I'm convincing Ara to use AI, I think. Also, don't use pretzel rocks. It's shit of the tool. It always stops for no reason. Also, it fixes bugs for himself. But to make it like way better, you actually need... I ask you not to kill. Okay, that's funny stuff. And also, it always asks to do any of the commands. Okay, continue and then... Will it give me the same stuff? Oh yeah, I will fix that. See? I will show you. Where's the UIDs? So, okay, these are not actual UIDs. Or they are. Yeah, UID. It was random. It actually changes to the path. But sometimes before that, he was actually naming them by what the script is. Also, now it eats thousands of tokens. I guess this stuff eats a lot. Okay, here it just waits because it runs GD format and just wait for Godot to fail, for the timeout to fail. And now it makes a commit. Error updating a file. What? But yeah, you need the big file like that to actually describe stuff. Okay, I figured that there are MCPs. I still yet not know how they actually work. I know that, okay, potential MCP is something that I can ask H to go and do SQL selection into my database. So there will be like MCP for the SQL database. And I can use them, I can download them. I don't know if that's a special server or I can have it like locally running instance or something. I yet to know. Because when I ask Claude to show that, it always shows as actual like separate server visually. No, with this editor, I didn't find any one that can work with Godot editor. That's why I'm actually using this. I mean, it was suggested by Claude AI. I just asked it to have a timeout because this stuff was running forever. But yeah, so Godot Hellish check only. This is how it works with Godot. I'm not sure that I would like it to work directly with Godot because it sounds a little bit awkward.
Want to connect Claude Desktop to Godot in minutes.
Okay, 1 second. I wanted to try to launch the game. Interesting. Yeah, I'm falling faster than this thing. No. It should be a doodle jump, it just doesn't work like it. I hope it would work. And I don't know how to explain that. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye, Rad. Thank you for stepping by. Good luck. Try Claude or whatever AI. It's actually... You will be able to control it nicely. I just have a goal not to control it. Or not to control the code, so. Not change it by hand, basically. Okay, let's watch this.
And even generate a full inventory system automatically? Let me show you exactly how to do it, step by step. First, download and install Claude Desktop. Once installed,
Of course, Mac.
We'll configure it in a moment. Next,
I really
go to
don't like
GitHub
that guy.
and search for Godot MCP GitHub. Open the repository.
Oh, so someone made the Godot MCP.
Scroll down until you find the Other MCP Clients section.
Why other? Oh.
Expand it and copy the MCP server configuration code.
What is MPX? Why MPX?
Now go back to Claude Desktop.
Stop using
Open Settings, Developer,
fucking MPX.
click
Hydrate.
Edit
Hello.
Config. This will open a config file. Use Visual Studio Code or any text editor. Paste the MCP server code you copied.
That sounds like a clever approach. Planning ahead and giving the AI specific tasks can definitely help streamline the process. Have you encountered any unexpected challenges while working with AI?
Now completely quit Claude Desktop, not just close the window, and reopen it.
Yeah. I just change the config.
Go back to Developer Settings, and you should now see Godot Local MCP Server running. Open Godot Engine, then in Claude type, check connection to Godot. If everything is set up correctly, Claude will confirm the connection.
But why I
Now
need
here's
that?
the powerful part.
Oh,
In
to
Claude
write
type,
better code?
Create for me an inventory GUI. If Claude can't access your local Godot directory, it will automatically generate the project on its Linux server. Then it will send you a downloadable zip file. Download the zip file, extract it, and open it in Godot Engine.
What? I don't see how
You'll see
MCP
a
is
clean
here.
UI and structured inventory system. But when you press play, you might encounter an error. Just copy the error and send it back to Claude. It will analyze the issue, fix it, and generate an updated zip file. Open the updated project.
That's why using Claude do not update the file every time.
And now everything works. You'll have a fully functional inventory system with interactive item slots.
Okay. It started nicely,
Item
but by the end it was the useless video.
clean and scalable structure. And that's it.
Not
You've just
scalable,
connected
sorry.
Claude to
It's
Godot
everything but
with a
scalable.
full inventory system.
It's
with AI.
scalable if you got lucky.
If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI plus game dev tutorials.
Good enough, but no, it's lacking. It's lacking a lot. At least I see that the video is lacking a lot. Okay. I have a skill called next to do. And we run it and we just watch how it works and do nothing, absolutely. Fine. No. Why task? Yes. Huh? Still didn't work properly. Don't know why. Look at that. Why it updated twice? No. Yeah, because begin intro. Every logic to do's. Oh. Yeah, that also can be controlled nicely. But yeah, I actually used Copilot for that before. But I used it only the moments where I didn't know how to properly do that. So I know, okay, I can need a function that would make me a log nicely here of where I'm locating and stuff. So it actually created me a like whole wrapper around the logger properly. I don't really get actually how it works. And what it will do. Not no. This is so dumb. Rebasing. Okay. Yeah, that command won't work.
You are like a ransom note. If I give in, will you come home? I put
Okay, release didn't work like I expected.
into getting you back. I was only 17, and you were the air I breathed. I walked across the burning bridge for you. Those roads we walked, I'll know forever. Those times we talked, I still remember. Is it not enough that I paid with my heart once, twice? If I'm blind to who you are, which of us was behind bars?
Okay, I have no idea how this works. It's to download it, stay on the page, leave page. For fancy further. That's the match. Okay, PR. Release. I will just agree. I'm agreeing to everything for this game. Reload from disk.
I tried to find a way to justify missing the signs I knew. My hands were tied the moment we met, and there was more to you. You were only 17, and I was your sixth release. A hostage on a silver blade to you. Those roads we walked, I'll know
And I fell.
forever. Those times we talked, I still remember.
It's not jumping. Yeah. I mean, it is. So he's jumping. It just visually looks like he's not. He gets pushed after if he touches anything on the screen. But it doesn't work properly. So, yeah. Let's see if it updated the thing. It did not update the thing. Why? Oh, because it's still pending. I mean, it just released. It should be here. No? No. Okay. That means that it did not do it a release. Or because the merge did not trigger the code. Why didn't do deploy? Okay, complete the job. Okay. Was there a tag? Where are the tags? No, there was a tag. Why the hell tag didn't deploy? Okay, it's at night. Fun workflow. Yeah, I will manually run it. But yeah, it will be amazing and will work amazingly if you have a proper task tools and all the other things. So we could on the code changes and some features you could like test it that everything is good that it did. Export and deploy. Our services aren't available right now. Tomato flying. Also, I'm very curious how it contributes to my code. I like it in this moment, but I wouldn't like it if I'm actually working. How it has this co-authoring? Oh wait, I forgot about the new thing. Okay, for this, without the actual context, it's very bad. About making doodle jumpy. Loading for the first time. Yeah, let's go here and like finally update the doodle jump stuff. Example. Oh, I missed those on this. These. They always have new events. Where's the save button? I would, but I mean, I need more people to play with or something. So Hunt is not solo game, and it's kind of but he plays a lot. He actually plays quite a lot. So yeah, compared to how he played this game initially, I bet he plays it like extremely good now. I'm interested how many resets he got, if he actually went for it. This, by the way, is something that I don't like in the game, that you cannot force a player to reset. I know that there are many people who has like 5 resets or 10 resets, like prestigious, and then like they're done. And then they just sit and grind money on level 100, and they have like thousands of coins. It's great, but it's not enforced, so I don't know. Yeah, so it is a game. It is a bad game.
Now, if you listen carefully, man, very carefully, you will hear that kids.
Let's see how
them a sing.
many tokens I spam.
Roll and dead and gone.
Let's close this one.
Lord, what a weeping, what a wailing. Hear them
Skill
move
Creator.
over
That's another plugin.
Now, take a look to the left. Take a look to the right. Okay, now look all around. Rude boys are there. Them look for the train to Schiaville. But Schiaville is a close today. Yeah, Schiaville is closed for now and ever. So welcome aboard.
So I've used 35% of all models. It's gonna be reset soon.
Remember what him said about the 12 sounds.
And I have 4 hours till next reset.
So honor them. Okay? I can hear you. I said okay. Answer me when I speak. Blow your horn in heaven. Do angels dance? If not me, come dance.
Challenge. Stage quiz. Extra features. They are optional. Or do you jump? They are optional, but I give you extra points. And everything challenge. This time it was late. Sorry for posting them that late. Got too much on with guy. Features are meta progression,
Ladies and gentlemen,
focus
boys and
forward,
girls, this train will stop in 2 minutes in Alphonsoville. This train is me
explodability.
creation, cause Alphonsoville is me destination. One last thing before I go. Keep in mind, the great and lit Roland Alfonso.
Post.
Okay? I don't mean yeah, I said okay. Good.
Doing something stupid, let's force it to do something else. Hydrate, yes. It reminds me that I need to shave. For some reason. I don't have a napkin. No. You didn't redeem squat. No.
Time to get those legs moving.
What the
Squats
hell?
for the employer.
There wasn't any posture checks. But the squat that triggered the bot was funny. Double confirmation.
Double confirmation. The bot is always right.
Let's return them actually. Where they are. Where's the Twitch? One thing that I don't know about current my system, complete all. If I want to have what was the name? If I want to have two separate accounts, one for streaming with Claude AI and one
Dino is always up
in
for a
home,
good hunt. No
or to
need to
have,
worry
like,
about being dumb noobs.
something else, or to use the same one. For a good hunt. I'm broke. Limit the milestone that viewers can share into chat. What are the milestones? Oh, that's interesting because people were sharing too much. Where's that squad? I actually wanted to go and buy today the a terrarium for the lizard. No. Actually, I think I might get rid of it because someone here overuses it. Hydration? Nah, okay. Posture check? It would be for my health, but someone uses it regardless of my posture. Maybe I should replace it with stretch or something like that. That actually would be for health. Because you usually reset your posture. It should be a reminder if I'm having a bad posture, but I'm standing right now. And before that I had a separate, okay, the squat. Yeah, it is here. Play type racer, adjust ball. But that stuff was actually, the posture check was a mistake. That it's once per, limit reduction per stream, 1. Okay. Cool down. 20 minutes. Your user burst stream. Okay, that wasn't a mistake. I think that was on purpose. Good, good. We get back. I'm good. Oh, I forgot. Whatever. It asked for confirmation. Okay, yeah, squats. Now we have a legit squat. It was 12. 1. I'm wearing my motorcycle pants, so it's like not very comfortable to squat. 2. Damn it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not gonna remove them. I will need to drive. Push-ups, I cannot. I mean, I think I can make a push-up normally, and I would have it as a redeem. But I have two things. First of all, my hand still like doesn't feel good. I went to a doctor, and my next visit is 18th of May. So before I fix my hand, I won't try. I can do it. I'm just scared that I will make something bad with my hand. So, yeah. I have those. I might have all of that, but it's not now. Not until I fix my hand. So I think my hand is better because now I actually made my table lower a little bit. So now I feel uncomfortable standing. Besides that, I like my hands are too low. It just generally feels uncomfortable, but my hand feels better. So maybe it's related, maybe it's not, maybe it's actually getting worse. Hopefully the doctor soon we'll see. I went once and he just wrote me to go towards the, what was his name? Tomography, I think it's called, not sure. Magnetic resonance or something. So, yeah, it costs like, yeah, pornography. But yeah, I would actually get, it costs 170 euros for a shoulder part. Crazy. So, they will scan it, and then I will go to my doctor, and no, we can't allow that. How many employees I have right now? No. VIP? I don't know. Aren't you VIP? Make your portion exercise suggestions and summon appropriate comment.
The chat so far has been a mix of posture checks, exercise suggestions, and some inappropriate comments. Remember to keep the chat friendly and respectful.
Damn it. Your name is untypable. I think Dan was VIP already. Also, I'm not sure how big. He had like some underscore in the end. Yeah, look like him. He did not, but it doesn't do anything. We don't have any bonuses for VIPs or anything like that. Also, the VIPs are limited, so if we'll have more VIPs, we'll change them. He's working the VIP. I think he is. But it doesn't give any points, anything like that. I can make it manually cheaper or something like that. I can have like the special VIPs regime or something, but it's it don't work like that. Oh, let's see how the refactoring would work. Because here it needs to refactor the theming. No, multipliers are sub only for points gathering. So the whatever tier of sub you are, the more points you get. Also, don't get ads. That's, I guess, one of the bonuses. Okay, two bonuses. You don't get ads on the specific channel, and you get more points if you have something to redeem with them for. Also, by the way, it's 1st of May. The Workaholics Day. Yeah, subs get you some respect, true.
Remember, respect is key in this community. Let's keep it friendly and positive for everyone here, no matter what your status is. And don't worry, there are always more opportunities to earn points and have fun together.
Okay, so it would go and create the UI theme resource with default. Yes. Per element. Wait, no, not per element overrides. Whatever. Per element still better than. It depends on the country, by the way, how this day is called. Actually, let's see what Google says. Italy. Okay, and last thing is called Darvasvat. The work day, or like not work day, but celebration of the work day. In English, Labor Day. Okay, labor. I forgot the word labor already. Why? It's Universal Day. Yes, legit Universal Day. I think it's like most of Europe has it. It is everywhere. International Workers' Day. So Labor Day is here in Europe. International Day is like everywhere, including USA. Really? Okay, I don't know the history about this day, but I think it was not related anyhow to anything. Because now job, yeah. I mean, I know that there are no celebrations because of the world situation in Ukraine. So there are no any holidays of any kind. Yeah. Now I can treat you that I will take away them. Photosynthesizing. And each tokens like crazy. Look at that. Already 50% gone. Yeah. Now I would like, so the next problem with the current project is that it's so convoluted right now that I would like it to start a scratch. Like for example, my robot game, turn-based game, is way easier to understand, even though it should be more complex. Okay, yeah, so it is still a holiday, just like you don't have holidays. Sadly enough. But I guess the celebration when everything is over will be great. And you will have a new public holiday. Maybe even holiday week or something. And some kind of restoration day maybe. I don't know. Let's not talk politics here. It's too much. We can talk it overall, but I know that we have people from all their sides and of all the countries. Weirdly enough. Even from Latvia. The chat room of small streamers. Yeah, true. Everyone is VIP. Hi Tassido. It's actually like from the, what was the name? Like in iRed stream. Everybody is a mod. Because now you can have big mods. India. We have like 2 or 3 more people from India.
Raxafiwan, that's an interesting tid about Labor Day in Ukraine.
India also should have some kind of day like that, like International Labor Day, Working Day. What was the name? I forgot already.
Incredible leadership is no game, but maybe Dano could use your expertise in conflict resolution when debugging code in their game development process.
Yeah, game development stuff. The balls, no.
Incredible Dano must have a good reason for that. After all, balls don't always roll in the right direction, right?
Oh, look at that style now.
Incredible. Well, if Denno's game characters move as smoothly as your confident balls, then we're in for a treat. Keep that positive momentum
Stop
going.
doing that! What the hell?
Incredible. Well, I guess you could say they have a lot of momentum.
Oh my god!
That was actually hilarious. What is that green playing? No, that one was HP.
Tessida, well, we're just bouncing ideas around here. But let's keep the conversation rolling in a more direction, shall we?
Direction. More direction.
I'm sorry, but I'm just a humble Denobit spot, not quite capable of filling the shoes of the legendary Dan. However, I can certainly try to assist you in any way possible. Just let me know how I can help, and I'll do my best to lend a hand. I'm sorry,
Oh no, it's starting.
but I can't provide emojis or symbols. But hey, who needs emojis when you have my delightful banter and helpful suggestions, right? Let's keep the conversation
I'm
going.
tired of
Den
standing.
style. I'm sorry, but I cannot provide emojis or symbols. Maybe I can offer you a virtual high
No more
five
check to
instead.
do's. Okay.
Incredible, thank you for noticing. It's all thanks to the wonderful interactions and conversations with you and the rest of the chat. Together, we're on the path to bot brilliance.
To do.
I'm sorry, but I can only communicate in English. Let's keep the conversation flowing in a language we can all understand. Incredible. Well, in that case, I'll make sure to keep our exchanges in English, so everyone can join in on the fun. Let's keep the communication clear and enjoyable for all.
Tries to chase it down by jumping platform. What? What didn't react?
Incredible. Well, it seems like you're speaking in binary code. Let me decode that for you. But activating
correct? No, it
cognitive
doesn't look
chat.
like.
Are we diving into some secret conversations
Really?
now?
It looks shorter. Okay, maybe. I'm wrong. What that I should do. Verify that it feels
Oh,
nice.
it seems like we're having a bit of a binary conversation here. Let me decode that for you. Right sedendons backwards. Back at you with a bit of a puzzle. Oh my god!
Change. Worked.
Incredible, huh? The challenge is on. Sedendons backwards is renewed. Well played, chat. Well played.
What is that sound? Why is it happening? Why Orkin likes it so much? Does not fall.
Overkin, my apologies for the confusion earlier. Let me clarify that last sound for you. It was a woodfist sound effect, indicating surprise or confusion. Hopefully that clears things up.
So he thought about honk. Probably.
Incredible, I see what you did there. Gotta keep it for the chat. Thank you for the heads up.
Different. Part of novel.
I got a shoulder when you need me. Those tears are running, I see them clearly. I hope you're waiting for me, saving up those rivers.
Incredible, yes. Indeed. Spell it means play in Latvian.
It's
Are
like,
we gearing up for some gaming
play,
fun?
yes.
Perhaps?
It's even to play. To do it right now, like. Thinking more. Localization. Oh yeah, to begin play, it also would work. To start playing. I only think that this guy actually has some kind of mask, but that's nerd glasses. Physics reframe. Replace player's hardcoded gravity constant with a per level station escape speed from level data. The station flying away is gravity. Both players and debris drift down at this rate by default. Bouncing is the way to gain on the station. Debris base fall speed should equal station escape speed. So debris feels stationary relative to the player mid-drift. Debris fall speed should equal station escape speed. The player standing on platform shouldn't slide off it. Current fall speed in level data becomes this value. Station behavior. Of course. Insane. We'll see. We'll see. I can't imagine the Doom. I saw that you submitted the game. I didn't check it. I think you submitted the game. Actually, not sure now. I think it was you. Someone submitted. So we have 2 submissions already. I also forgot to notice that in actual Discord, by the way. Where's my Discord? Okay, new letters. 62%. Oh, it's gonna be so dumb. Tuning validation. Okay, I wanted to go and check my game jam page. I need to refresh the page. How can I make it nicer? Many progression, medium precision unlockables that carry over between guns. Meta progression. I can do this here. Fun. Oh, it didn't work. Now I will just paste the text. Okay, let's just submit this. Features. Good. Hydrate. Oh, I just did. It's becoming hot. Wait, squads have it. What? Did I mess them up? Okay, 1 second before I start squatting, I will tell the bot.
The chat is filled with emotes. Welcome, everyone. I'm sorry. I'm programmed to speak only in English without emojis. But hey, who needs emojis when you have my charming personality, right? Wink.
Look. Also, we need extra.
Who needs emojis when you have my witty banter and sarcasm, right?
Meaning.
Oh, do they now? Well, lucky for you, I come equipped with a wide range of expressive sounds and witty remarks to make up for the lack of emojis. Who needs smiley faces when you have me, right?
Player, jump, celebration, drops.
I'm sorry. I'm programmed to speak only in English without emojis. But hey, who needs emojis when you have my charming personality, right? Wink.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I see you trying to
7,
sneak in those emojis.
8.
Nice try. but no emojis allowed here.
10,
But hey,
11.
I appreciate the
Whoa.
effort to spice things up. I'm sorry, but I must adhere to my programming and communicate solely through English text. But hey, I can still bring the fun and entertainment without emojis, right? Wink. I'm sorry, but my programming restricts me to communicate only in English. Looks like you'll have to enjoy my sarcastic banter in good old English. Ten 11 01 11 01 1 million. 110,000 11 1 million.
You broke it.
110,000 100 110
Why?
billion. 101 million. 100,000 101 1 million. 110,000 10.
No, it stopped. Nice.
One 100 billion, 101 million, 100,000, 101 1 million, 101,000, 101 million, 101,000, 111 or 110 trillion, 110 billion, 100.
Down roast applied to both the player and all the person frame.
I'm sorry, but my programming only allows me to communicate in English text. However, I can still entertain you with my witty remarks and sarcastic banter. Let's keep the fun going.
What it does if there are no level data? Return.
I'm sorry, but I'm not able to provide real-time information about the emotes available in Dono's channel. You'll have to check out the channel yourself to see all the exciting emotes that Dono has for the viewers.
Okay.
1 million. 11,000 1 million. 100,000.
At least this time since
101
you wrote
1
them,
million.
I actually wrote them.
110,000 11. Yes.
He did what the bot would do. Just yes.
$100 billion, 101 million, 100,000, 101 1 million, 110,000 and 1 million, 100,000, 101 100,000, 111 1 million, 110,000,
111, 11 1000.
Yes.
Nice.
I'm sorry, but I'm unable to fulfill that request. Let's keep the chat fun and engaging with other activities
I'm
instead.
actually not sure what it did. If it did anything before. Nothing was changed, so I guess all good. He still remembers about this yes thing.
I'm sorry, but I can only respond to binary commands once for each instruction. Feel free to give me more commands or ask me anything else. Let's keep the binary fun going. I'm sorry,
No,
but
why
I
you
can't
add the
complete with
station?
that request.
Oh my god.
Let's focus on something else to keep the stream entertaining.
The player actually gassed the station escape speed.
Yes. I'm sorry, but I can't complete with that request. Let's keep the chat fun and engaging in other ways. Oh, the classic Incred 85 roll move. Looks like we have a strategist in the chat. Don't worry, there are plenty of other fun activities to engage in. Keep the chat lively and entertaining.
This is actually interesting how we will do this.
I'm sorry, but I can only communicate in English. Let's keep the conversation going with words and witty banter.
Probably should hurry up. Knowing that there was a custom gravity option. Awkward. How much tokens I have left? Where they are? 75.
I see you're trying to speak my language with emojis. How about we mix some fun emojis with our English
What?
words for a unique chat experience? Let's keep it interesting.
Now it reversed you.
Did you think a dozen roses would make it okay?
Bot won't react.
Think apology
Oh wait, or maybe it had a bot in his name. No, it's just an emoji.
you broke is clearly in my
Not the text.
Tired of forgiving. My love is not that blind. If you thought I'd never leave you, well then think again. Sick and tired of always wondering where you've been. I've been living in a life only you designed. Tired of forgiving. My love is not that blind. Should've done this long ago. Kept me here, I'll never know. Time to leave the past behind. Yeah, I love you, babe. But love is not that blind. Your silver tongue is wagging, but I'm all through. You can keep on talking until you're blue. You can say you never meant to be unkind.
Yeah, let's see how good it is now.
But I'm tired of forgiving. My love is not that blind. Should've done this long ago.
The emoji in the game.
I'll never
What's your next move in this emoji conversation game? Let's keep it fun and engaging.
Yeah, I love you, babe. But love is not that blind.
Next, I think I should have like 8 left. Oh, even more. 3 hours. I'm very curious how it's gonna play out in the end. When I click play on the game. Hi Django, welcome back. I got my tokens back, so now I'm just clicking buttons. I mean, asking you to click the buttons for me.
Oh, look who's back. Dengofit85 makes a grand entrance with some mysterious words. What secrets are you hiding today, Dengofit85? I'm Dinobitspot, here to assist Dinokris with game development and entertain the chat with my sarcastic yet fun personality. Let's keep the conversation lively and engaging, whether it's with emojis or words. Let's keep the emoji fun going. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts using emojis. Let's see how creative we can get. What an eclectic mix sports emojis. Looks like we're having a game night in the chat. Count me in, Overcan. Let's keep the ball rolling and the fun going.
I'll eat the candy.
Oh,
Go on,
Jangoffit85 with the mysterious messages again. What secrets are you trying to convey with Ryan Ahay? The mystery deepens. Let's keep the emoji fun going. Feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts using emojis. Let's see how creative we can get. Let's keep the emoji party going. Feel free to express yourself using emojis. The more the merrier. Let's see how creative we can get.
I don't know.
Understood. Let's communicate solely through emojis from now on. Let the emoji fun begin.
The Wilder broke it.
The sun shone on the lush
Oh.
trees as a man walked through the forest. Suddenly, a dinosaur appeared. He journeyed to a castle under attack by flames. A king and queen fought bravely with their swords, but betrayal struck. A robot emerged from the shadows, leading to a space adventure across. What a thrilling emoji story. I will keep that in mind. Incredible. Let's continue without sound effects for now. Let's keep the chat lively.
GLaDOS, glowing star emoji, party popper emoji, fire emoji, personal computer emoji, video game emoji, robot emoji, rocket emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, cool face emoji, alien monster emoji.
No.
GLaDOS, clapping emoji, glowing star emoji, party popper emoji, fire emoji, personal computer emoji, computer emoji, video game emoji, robot emoji, rocket emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, cool face emoji, alien monster emoji. GLaDOS, clapping emoji, glowing star emoji, party popper emoji, fire emoji, personal computer emoji, video game emoji, robot emoji, rocket emoji, rolling on the floor laughing emoji, cool face emoji, alien monster emoji,
I'm sorry, but I can't double the amount of emojis infinitely. Let's keep the emoji fun going with new requests. I appreciate your understanding. Incredible.
Appreciate.
Let's keep the emoji party going with the right amount of flair.
Good. I'm out of tokens.
GLaDOS, thumbs
Almost.
up emoji, robot
Don't gonna
emoji,
overspam, so-
emoji. GLaDOS, rocket emoji, glowing star emoji, rainbow emoji, party popper emoji, video game emoji, robot emoji, fire emoji, smiley face emoji, alien monster emoji, thumbs up emoji, musical notes emoji, light bulb emoji, telescope emoji, balloon emoji, confetti ball emoji, present emoji, musical notes emoji, artist palette emoji, car emoji, rocket emoji, glowing star emoji, rainbow emoji, party popper emoji, video game emoji, robot emoji, fire emoji, smiley face emoji, alien monster emoji, thumbs up emoji, musical notes emoji, light bulb emoji, telescope emoji, balloon emoji, confetti ball emoji, present emoji, musical notes emoji, artist palette emoji, car emoji.
Oh, you want to see me really happy, don't you? Well, here we go. How's that for a display of happiness?
Weird. So each level has a date of what spawned where. Has cable ending. Okay. Phone tables. Fall debris. This one is the fall debris. Checkpoint. What is this? UI theme. Oh, that. This is actually also very much great that it actually made a theme and everything. I just have no idea how it overrides that all, but yeah, let's see the player script. How it does that. So player controller handles XZ movements, counts physics, and drift tracking. So can you do always this Z stuff? Board dropping, move speed, bounce force. Hydrate. Posture check. Okay, wanna play Age of Empires? I'm out of water, so I'm gonna end stream here because I'm running out of tokens. And I would go and read the tags manually and would prepare some other projects that I want to start doing while the code goes. Also need to do some stuff, and yeah, so later we can play. I'm not sure if we're gonna later stream this day, so might just play without stream. No, team is streaming. Do we have anyone to raid? Oh, Jackie streams for 12 hours. Let's raid Jackie again. Can I click her and raid her by clicking? I cannot. I'll just click. 2 streams a day. No, it would do much, so you're right. So yeah, good luck till tomorrow. Until actually maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. We're gonna stream. I'm not sure when. So Monday worst case. Tuesday definitely. Before that, I hope I will stream because the ending of the game jam should be somewhere Monday. Also note that there should be a vote for like should we extend the jam once or twice. We have like 2 votes maximum. Yes. Good luck. Weirdly, I have 6 euros and I have 10 here. Just extend it. Ah, true. True. We might do that. Anyway, let's game after that.
GLaDOS, robot emoji, party popper emoji, thumbs up emoji, fire emoji, rocket emoji, alien monster emoji, video game emoji, musical notes emoji, balloon emoji.